Okay, let's try to find the equation for this linear function that's graphed on the right-hand side. So to do so, we need two components. All right, basically I'm going to think of this as y equals mx plus b. All right, so the two components we need are the slope, m, and in this case we could pick out two ordered pairs and use the slope formula, but because we have a graph, I'm going to visualize it as rise over run. So a comparison to the change in y values to the change in x values. And then the other component we need is b. b is the y-intercept as we look at a graph. Well, the y-intercept should be pretty easy to pick out. It's where the graph crosses the y-axis. So remember, the vertical axis is our y-axis, and the horizontal is our x-axis. So it looks to me like we're going to cross the y-axis right here at 7. So b is going to equal 7 for our graph. All right, the next thing is we want to figure out the slope. So let's pick one additional point that we're really confident we actually cross. I'm going to elect to go with this one. Looks to me like that is at 4, 4. So we could use 0, 7 and 4, 4 and fill into y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But I'm going to use that rise over run. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to start at the y-intercept and say I go down 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now going down, I'm going to think that goes down 3, so it's going to be a negative 3 for the rise component. And we went to the right 4, so that's going to be a positive 4 for the run component. So the slope of our line should be negative 3 over 4. Now there is an alternative way you could do this. Of course, we could start at 4, 4 and think I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. So that would be a positive 3 for the rise component. And we could go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. But going to the left, we're going to think of that as meaning negative 4. All right, negative divided by a positive or a positive divided by a negative, both of these mean negative 3 fourths out in front. So our equation is going to be y equals our slope, negative 3 fourths, multiplied by x, and then our y-intercept, 7, goes at the end. That's all there is to finding the equation of a line that's graphed. Good luck.